The Redmi Note 8 Pro has a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with support for HDR, letting you watch HDR content from service providers like YouTube. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. It has a quad camera setup at the back. It has a 64-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide secondary camera for wide-angle photos, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensing camera. It has a night mode to aid with low-light photography. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 20-megapixel selfie camera. For security, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock from the front-facing camera. The Redmi Note 8 Pro runs on MIUI based on Android. For performance, it relies on the Mediatek G90t processor. The smartphone is available in two variants, 6GB RAM with 64GB storage and 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. The smartphone is available in Gamma Green, Halo White and Shadow Black color options. The smartphone also comes with Alexa support built in. It also sports a game mode called Game Turbo to give mobile gamers an immersive experience. The Note 8 Pro is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. It also has a dedicated microSD card slot for storage expansion. The smartphone is powered by a 4500 mAh lithium polymer battery with support for 18-watt fast charging. The box includes the handset, power adapter, Type-C cable, quick starter guide, case and SIM tray ejector. The Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.